Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My today's topic is prostration to the graves. That means prostrating to the grave of some saint or some wali or someone. The Faqeeh-ul-Ummat of Deoband, in his book Malfuzat, writes, if you prostrate to a grave of some person, you will not be called a mushrik. This is not an act of shirk. It is just an haram act. देवबंद के जो फ़क़ीहुल उम्मत है मुफ्ती महमूद हसन गंगूही अपनी किताब मलफूजात में लिखते हैं कि अगर आप किसी कब्र को सिजदा करें तो आपको मुशरिक नहीं कहा जाएगा। आपने सिर्फ एक हराम काम किया है, मगर आप मुशरिक नहीं कहलाएंगे। देवबंद के जितने अकाबिर गुरे हैं सुबह इसी तरह उनका ये था। कासिम नानतवी, द फाउंडर ऑफ द दारुल उलूम देवबंद, who passed away in 1879, he used to sit by the side of the grave of Sabir Kalyari throughout the night, and they say he used to talk even with the person who was buried in the grave. All the night he used to close the door and sit by the side of the grave. The founder of Tablighi Jamaat, Ilyas Kandalawi, who passed away in 1943, he used to sit in Muraqaba by the grave of Nur Muhammad Badayuni. He was living by in the graves by the side of the graves of this Nur Muhammad Badayuni. Yes, and they have this concept also to keep something, the lineage of all their saints and walis in this thing, but that means this wali is the son of so and so and so, so that his hisab in the grave becomes easy, and he gets an easy exit to the Jannah. Some persons they put the footwear of their grave, of their wali, of their pir, of their murshad in the grave with the dead body. This is in their books. I am not writing from this. I have all the references. Hasim Nanatwi. Someone asked about Hasim Nanatwi and Rashid Amin both. They said the same thing. That if you are buried near the grave of some very famous Naik person, then it is possible that you will get some relief. Because Qasim Nanatwi, yes, it is there in Qasim Sawani Qasimi part 2. It was written by Manazir Hasan Gilani. That yes, it is possible, because when the wind of the Bahisht comes to that to Wali, you will also get a relief from that wind. That's why those people who are in India and Pakistan, they know every person wants to get a site for the burial of their dead one near the grave of some Wali or so. May Allah save us from all those heretics and let it be buried. These are Sufis, both are the one and the same. Amen.